Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make a watermark in CapCut. Now I'm going to show you how to do an easy watermark here, nice, quick and easy. So come to the start of the video clip and let's bring your watermark, what you want to make, onto the timeline. I'll just use this basic subscribe button here, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for many more CapCut tutorials like this one. Let's resize it. So let's make it here like this. And then you want to come down to blend here and you'll see the opacity. And you want to make this really light. You can make it as dark as you want, but let's make it light like that. That's much more like a watermark. You can move it wherever you want. Let's leave it up here. And then when you play the clip, let's extend it for the whole clip. There you go. That's the easiest way how to add a watermark in CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.